Hello everyone, I am back to another chapter of Geography Class 7, Chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. There is always constantly changes that is going on inside the earth. So this chapter all about the interior of the earth. What is the earth made up of? What does it contains? What kind of rocks and minerals it has? So first, let's talk about layer of earth. Three type of layers: crust, then mantle, and core. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers. The crust can be divided into two parts: the continental crust or seal and the oceanic crust or sima. The main mineral, the continental mass, are silica and alumina. It is called Sial. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called Sima. Next, the mantle. The middle layer of the earth is called the mantle. It consists of iron and magnesium. Last one, core. The Earth's innermost layer is known as the core. It is mainly made up of heavy metals, particularly nickel and iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Now rocks and minerals. The earth crust is made up of various type of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different colors, size and texture. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. You know about volcanoes? When molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. They have a very fine grain structure. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called igneous rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Next one, sedimentary rocks. When rock roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. Last one, metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Of rocks. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings, and use stones in many games. For example, seven stones, hopscotch, five stones, etc. Now you will be know about rock cycle. What is a rock cycle? One type of rock changes to another type under certain condition in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. Now, what are minerals? Minerals are a naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and a definite chemical compositions. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, natural gas, and petroleum. They are also used in industries like iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, and in medicine and in fertilizer also. That's all. Thank you.